Are you looking to tap into your client's love of sports, such as basketball, baseball, football, or some other spectator sport? I'm Michael Coldesina with Sports Travel and Tours.
Hey, Michael, I bet travel pros have a ton of clients that are interested in sports, but they've never thought about it as a way to grow their business. Do you want to go live and share some of your tips and tricks?
Absolutely, I think that would be a great opportunity to help travel pros.
Fantastic. How about Thursday, May 30th?
Thursday, May 30th works for me.
Awesome. So, travel pros, when you register in advance, I'll throw in a cool infographic called 19 Ways to Grow Your Social Fan Base. What about you, Michael?
Catherine, we'll throw in a $25 bonus commission coupon that you can use on your very next sports travel and tours booking.
Awesome. We'll make this a touchdown. So go ahead, join us live on Thursday, May 30th. When you register, remember we'll send you those freebies as well as all the login details that you need. See you on Thursday, May 30th.